Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Miss Jackie Russell. My name is Vicki and we have the FabFitFun Edit Sale. It's in a spring box, but it's not spring. So stay tuned and let's see what we have in here. And if you're new here, see if you like me and if what I have to show. And if you do, hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video if you hit the notification bell. But we're going to get started here. This is the last edit sale that they had. FabFitFun has an edit sale just about every week. And if you're a member, you can go in and get some good deals, and I did. I went in and spent about $30, and I came out with about $200 worth of product. And it's product and fashion, because at FabFitFun you can get lifestyle and makeup, skincare, all that kind of good stuff. You can even get stuff for your pets. So there's a lot of variety. It costs about $259 a year for 4 boxes that you get seasonally. If you pay for annual, you get first in on edit, and if you are a seasonal member, you can cancel anytime at $79.99, and you also get to choose all 6 of your choices, but it's like a couple of weeks later. If you're an annual member, everybody, you get to do everything. And then here's my box. Got some things showing there on the outside. And we're going to go in here and see what I got. Now, I bought a package deal where I got 3 pieces for $24.99, and the 1 piece was selling for $24.99 by itself on sale. But let me show you the first thing that I got that wasn't in that package. This was on sale for $8. This is like an $88 value with Rhode Isle. It's the pink diamond, and I have just about all the pink diamond skincare, but I don't have the facial mask, so I decided to get that, and these were $8, regularly $88. So really good deal. There's 4 of them in there, and I look forward to using these. This is a lifting mask with the pink diamond. Have any of y'all used the pink diamond lifting mask? I haven't ever used it. The next thing we're going to do, and I'm going to interrupt here, I've gotten this little pouch here, 2 necklaces that I got from FabFitFun and Beauty Box, or in the seasonal boxes. And the one thing I'm going to show you is that toggle necklace that we had in the summer FabFitFun. Guys, they told you that you could wear this and you could be in the water and you could shower in it, and that I did that for over 6 weeks. I didn't even take it off. So I wanted to give you a little testimony on the quality of their jewelry. And then probably after 2 weeks of having this on, I added this by Sterling, which is also through FabFitFun. It's I guess you could say like a rhinestone necklace, looks like a tennis bracelet necklace. And I got it through FabFitFun, and I wore it with this double, giving me gold and silver, so I could wear any combination of colors. And I wore this for at least 4 weeks, if not longer. And so you can tell they held up beautifully. They're still very shiny and very pretty. So a lot of the jewelry you get at FabFitFun is really good. Now, I got these rings at FabFitFun, and this was the ones that was like $12.99, and they're all the same. I got me 2 extras in the last edit, but I do want to say, even though the color looks good on front, on the back side I can tell just already a little bit of wear of the color on the, like on the back side of the ring, but on the front side of the ring it looks really good still. So I just think it's a beautiful ring and it stacks well. But I wanted to share that little bit of information so that if you're looking at jewelry at FabFitFun, it'll give you at least some type of testimonial on how it works, and I think it works pretty good overall. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is the package I got for $24. Did I get it for $24? Yeah, I got the package for $24.99, and there were 3 items in there. One was a $29 value, one was a $20 value, and one was a $60 value. So like around 120 something for $24.99. And the first thing I'm going to show you is the sunshades I got. And these are Fossil sunshades. And they're just black. And they've got it wrapped up here pretty good. I was going to try to show them to you. There we go. But they're black, and I think I have these, so I'm not going to try them on, but I think they would be good, because I may end up having this in a giveaway, because if I have a pair, I don't need a second pair. So I'll definitely gift these at some point. But it's a $29 value, and I got it in this box for $24.99. So already the box is paid for itself, and it even had like a cute little eyeglass holder there, so you could also use that to probably clean your glasses. Now the next thing that I got was these shorts, and they're called Yummy shorts, or Yummy, and they're in black, and they're in a medium large. I don't know if these will fit me or not. I'm assuming they will, but they might not. If they don't, I'll probably give them to one of my kids or grandkids. It's sure to fit somebody around here. And you can't even tear into plastic anymore. Whoops, there went my box. Okay, this is what these look like. So they look really small. Are they going to stretch? I think these are supposed to hold you in. So they are going to stretch. But wow, they're going to have to stretch a lot for me. But it will stretch. So that part's good. Yeah. Alright, we'll see. I don't know if those will work for me or not. But like I said, I've got plenty of girls in the house or in the family that it could work for. Let me get this box off the floor. The last item I got in here is a $60 value. And those shorts were a $20 value. And it is a red sweater, and red is one of my colors, and I know it's too hot to wear it right now, but I thought I'm going to get that because that'll be a good color for me. And I like red, and it's real, it almost feels like cashmere, but I'm sure it's not. It's a Summer in Rose, made in Canada, and it doesn't say what it's made out of. It's probably some kind of spun polyester, but it doesn't have a, here's a tag. Okay, it has 3% spandex, 74% polyester, and 23% acrylic. So it's made to feel like cashmere. And it's going to be stretchy, and it's a medium large, and I'm pretty sure, how in the world did I manage to get it inside out? I'm pretty sure it'll fit me. Guys, I got an itchy throat. I hope I'm not getting anything. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know if I'd wear it buttoned up or not, but I think it's a pretty color of red, so that's why I got it. Thought it would look good. And this here in the sale, they had it for sale just by itself for $23.99, and I got this whole package, all 3 of these, for $24.99, so that was a super deal. And so this here alone was $60, $30, $90, $110, somewhere around there for the value of this, and then $88 for the other. So about $198 value. So hey, that was a great deal. Love that. I always like getting a deal, and I really debated on whether to get this. I have a real cashmere red sweater. That's why I thought this felt a little bit like it, but it doesn't look like it. You know, when you're looking at it real close, you can kind of tell that it's not real cashmere, but it feels like it. And I look forward to trying out Rhodial face masks. So let me know, what do you think? Do you have a favorite? And what do you think about the wear of these necklaces? And they still look new. And I'm telling you, I did not take them off. I took showers in them. I walked in them, so I sweated. I mean, like it went through the ringer. I didn't jump in the swimming pool, but I did, get in the shower and bathe with it. And then, putting on since I had them on all the time, I was putting, my creams and stuff on. So it was even getting in that. And it still held up really good. So I'm really impressed with the FabFitFun jewelry. It, most of it is in pretty good taste, and it's made by good companies. And that's always a good thing. But anyways, guys, that's all I have for this little FabFitFun haul. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you had a favorite. Let me know if you're doing the fall box. It's coming out this week to customize if you are an annual member, and I'm excited to get in there and customize. And of course, I usually do get fast shipping, so I'll probably get one box fast. I won't probably get both of them fast because, I don't need them both here at the same time. So, but I will get one of them fast, and I'll show it to you as soon as I have it. I'm excited about it. You let me know what you think about the fall. And if I ever find any codes or anything that I can give to you guys, I'll be sure to pass them on. But as for today in this FabFitFun Edit Sale unboxing, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.